Bree, the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the Walgreens ad preview for next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday, February 16th and go through the following Saturday. So a couple updates from the current week for you guys. The Walgreens beauty event does start tomorrow. It goes Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So again, you guys can pick up that paper booster for the spend 25, get 7,000 points at any Walgreens that has a beauty consultant desk. I did post a photo of it on the community tab on my YouTube page. I also posted it on my Instagram for you guys. And check your accounts. You may have a digital version. So I got some digitals for boosters for next week. I posted it as well for you guys on my community tab and my other social media platforms. So if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram or Facebook, make sure you guys click in the links below and follow me there. Anytime there's additional deals or updates, I make sure I share them with you guys on those platforms. So typically the paper booster and the digital booster will stack. So if you noticed in my Walgreens beauty event scenario, I do have the get 7,000 points for the digital and get 7,000 points for the paper. Now, not all accounts are going to get the digital version. It just depends. Some accounts do, some accounts don't. So make sure you go through, click on the weekly ad and coupons, click on your available coupons and scroll through, see if you have any of those digital boosters. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update. The original scenario I printed with the deodorant is a no-go. Deodorant does not included in beauty. One of my subscribers reached out to me and let me know. I did call customer service as well to verify, because when I clicked on beauty and explore all beauty for the beauty enthusiast, the Axe deodorants and some other deodorants were listed. So that's why I got confused on that. So I took it down. I did replace it on all my platforms that it is going to be a different deal, including L'Oreal, Garnier Whole Blend, and Revlon. So the Revlon is buy one, get one free. So I adjusted my math on that. So everything you see now is accurate. And that's going to be the deal that I'm doing for the Walgreens beauty event that I will be doing a haul tomorrow. So if you haven't checked out my Sunday CVS haul, make sure you guys do. I am doing my second subscriber giveaway. So you can enter in that video. Today and tomorrow morning will be the last time to enter, because I will be announcing the winner tomorrow afternoon during my Walgreens beauty event haul. So make sure you guys check that out. I will have it linked in the description box as well as after this video. So let's go ahead and dive in. So deals of the week here for Walgreens next week, we have some Kellogg's. Select Kellogg's are going to be $1.99. 50-cent coupon makes them just $1.49. I'm actually going to be doing this deal. Need to stock up on some more cereal in my house. 2 for $1 on the Arizona single serve tea or drinks. These will be great filler items if you need any filler items to use register rewards. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens, register rewards in the system count as a coupon, and you can only have one coupon per product. So if all the items you're going to be buying have either digital coupons or paper coupons attaching to those, but you want to use some nice register rewards to pay down your out-of-pocket, you can pick up these little items here, get 2 of them for $1, and that way you could use 2 register rewards for your transaction. Scott Paper Products and Kleenex, buy one, get one half off. Colgate Optic White is $2.99, buy 2, get 4,000 points. That is not going to be a bad deal. So when you buy 2, it's going to be $5.98. We do have dollar coupons. We had some printable from coupons.com. We also got some in our 2.9 inserts. So that would bring it down to $4.98, get back 4,000 points. So your final cost is 49 cents each. Purex, this is obviously an amazing deal. We are getting a $1 off coupon in the inserts on Sunday the 16th. So it's going to make the Purex just 99 cents. And the good thing about Walgreens, there's no limit, no nothing. So as many coupons as you have, of course, abiding by the limit on the coupons is how many you guys can grab. It's up to Walgreens to kind of stop you from, stocking up too much. Buy 2, get 1 free for Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, Coca-Cola. Not the worst deal. You're going to wind up spending $12.38 for 3. Sometimes you'll get 3 for $9.99, so that would save you an additional $2.38. So that's not the worst deal for you guys if you want to stock up on some of these. I know Easter's obviously around the corner. and Mother's Day, things like that. So if you guys are going any parties or anything, those are always nice to have. Dayquil, NyQuil, Vicks, $16.99 with card, and get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. Tide and Tide Pods, $2 coupon coming in the inserts, I believe. Hopefully we'll get a digital as well. We usually do. That way we can take advantage of this deal a few more times. It's always a better deal, obviously, when we get register rewards back or points, or of course at CVS when we have different extra buck deals. So not the best deal, but it still obviously is some savings if you guys are running super, super low. The current week, there are amazing deals on laundry at CVS. So if you do have a CVS near you, you can get Tide Pods and Gain Flings for as little as 99 cents each. And you can stock up on the really large Tides. They're 2 separate deals, so they're both in that Sunday CVS haul video for you guys as well. L'Oreal Hair Care, buy one, get one half off. The current week is definitely going to be better because they're 2 for $8. And then you have the $2 IVC coupon and that 4 off of 2 coupon. So it's definitely going to be a better deal for that the current week to stock up. Lay's and Doritos, 2 for $5. Not a bad deal there. Cupcake. I've never actually tried this brand before. If you have in the description box, make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what you think of it. They're $7.99. Get a savings reward of $6 off. I've done a savings reward deal for wine in the past. It printed just like a register reward in essence. So it's pretty much a $6 register reward, so not a bad deal there. That would be about $3.99 each when you do the deal. Breakfast. I've been craving some toaster strudels lately, to be honest. They were my absolute favorite growing up. Quaker Oats, 2 for $5. Definitely a good deal there. 2 for $4, Jiffy and Smuckers. We have some nice brand honey. Chobani, 2 for $2. Nice brand vegetable oil, canola oil, and sugar, only $1.99. That's definitely a good deal if you guys need to stock up on any of those items. If you're going to be baking anything for the upcoming holidays or anything like that, those are some great items to have in your house. Cream cheese, Kraft Mexican cheese, 2 for $4. We have buy one, get one free on the complete home paper plates, bowls, and cups. Select varieties. This one I'm definitely going to be doing. I love solid white tuna. That is my favorite. And they are 4 for $5. So that's definitely a good deal there. Ground beef, $2.99 with card for 1 pound. And buy one, get one free on any of these items here. Prego, 2 for $4. Miracle Whip, couple food deals here. Nothing really too crazy. Some good snack deals are $1.99 with card. We do have some 50-cent off 2 Nature Valley coupons. I believe there's a 50-cent off 2 Fiber One Bar coupons as well. I love these Keebler fudge strips. Those are awesome. Let's see. Pretzel chips, $1.99. Not a bad deal there. Let's keep going. Candies, 89 cents each. Also a pretty good filler item. If you don't like the tea, you can always get one of these or 2 of these as filler items if you guys need them for your deals. $6.99 Bounty and Charmin. I would stay away from that deal. Usually we get some register reward deals or bonus point deals with those, so I would stay away from those. $9.99 with card. 99 cents for the 7-ounce Dawn is not bad. Gain liquid 100-ounce, $9.99 or $8.99 with $1 off. Not the best savings. Usually Family Dollar and Dollar General have better savings because you can also use that with the 5 off 25, which is going to give you some additional savings. So if you're picking up any Gain or anything like that, I would do it at Family Dollar or Dollar General. Of course, CVS is great as well. The current week, you can get the Gain Liquid, Gain Flings, and Tide Pods in the buy 3, get a $5 extra buck deal. Downy or Bounce, these are the 80 dryer sheet pack, $3.49 with 50-cent off coupon. Not the best deal, but not the worst deal. Still is some good savings for you guys. Let's see. Same deal going on the current week for Sally Hansen, 4,000 points when you spend 12. So if you wanted to include this in your beauty event deal, you could. $5 register reward when you buy 2 participating products, Revlon or Almay again. Of course, we do have Almay and Revlon coupons from the 2.9, I believe it was the Retail Me Not inserts. We have digital coupons for those as well, so if you guys haven't clipped those, make sure you guys clip them. Shows right here up to $15 in coupon savings online or in most Sunday papers. 10,000 points back when you spend 20 or more on Nexus or Love Beauty and Planet. I'm hoping we get another nice Nexus coupon. We had some $5 off one Nexus coupons before, which made for some amazing, amazing deals. So we all stocked up on Nexus as much as we could, but we haven't had any of those coupons in a while. So hoping we're due for one of those. I actually smelled this perfume when I was at the store last, when I was getting the information for the beauty event this week, and it actually smelled really good. I didn't realize the black one was for men, so I sprayed it on my other wrist, and then I smelled like a man all day, but it still smelled good regardless. Dove Men and Axe, buy one, get one half off. When you buy 3, get 3,000 points back. If you're not signed up on Dove for their email blast, they'll send you coupons every once in a while. I got some in my inbox today, $1 off coupons for men, $1 off one. So if you use 3 of those, that can help make that a better deal. Axe, there was a 2 off 2 digital coupon. I don't know if it would work on this particular product, but we'll have to see if that one will still be available, see if that would be a good deal to do next week. Pampers, same deal as the current week. Spend 25, get 5,000 points. Remember, for the spend deal, you cannot use points. You have to make sure that you're spending $25 before taxes. So you can use register rewards, you can use coupons, things like that, but you cannot use points or you will not get the points back. Okay, buy one, get one half off. Definitely not the best deal. We get a lot of register reward or point deals with those, so I would stay away from that deal as well. Dove Men Plus Care, Degree Men, we have coupons from the 2.2 Retail Me Not, I believe, for these, so that could make for a pretty decent deal. Crest and Oral-B, 2 for $8. Definitely not the best deal because sometimes we get these for $2.99 on sale. There's a $1 off digital coupon and a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So I would definitely stay away from that deal. The current week is amazing. It's a moneymaker for Oral-B because there are $1 Ibotta rebates. So it made it a $2 moneymaker. If you haven't seen my Walgreens haul for the current week, make sure you guys check it out. I would definitely stock up and do that deal the current week, and I would pass on it for next week. Okay, $3 register reward when you buy any 2 of these products. Robitussin and Advil, the current week is a great deal. They are $5.99, and then the $3 off digital coupon. We also had $3 off coupons from the 2.9 inserts, so that made for a really good deal, $1.49 each. This is going to be a $4 register reward with card and $2 off coupon. Or I'm sorry, hold on. So $2 off with card or $4 off with card and $2 coupon. So I think the current week is going to be a better week because I think these are going to be obviously full price. They're not on sale, just has the $2 off. So we'll have to see if that'll be a decent deal to do next week as well. If you guys still have some of those coupons left, always good to stock up on some cold medicine. Aleve, Advil, Tylenol. Halls, not the best deal. We had that $1.25 off of 2 coupon. Couple inserts ago. I don't remember exactly which one, but usually we get Saving Star rebates and such, which we haven't had in a little while. So hopefully those will come back so we can stock up on some more Halls and Ricola. All right, let's see. Nothing too crazy here. Same old, same old. Buy one, get one free on the Walgreens brand alkaline batteries. Those are always good to stock up on. Okay, and that is it for the Walgreens ad. Pretty slow week. The current week is definitely better, especially with having a beauty event going on. Keep in mind for the Scott paper or the Scott toilet paper, on my account there is a fetch reward for 20% points back on Scott Bath Tissue 9 to 24 pack, and these are the 12 pack, so that would count. So you would have to buy just the Scott toilet paper. It does not count on the paper towels, so just keep that in mind there. We also, on my account, have, let me see, 1,000 points back for Dove deodorant. So that Dove deal, buy one, get one half off, and the points back, I believe it was, on one of the pages, that would be a good deal to do, especially to get back some additional points from Fetch Rewards. And if you buy the 3 count of the Kleenex, so say you bought a Scott Bath Tissue and a Kleenex, the Kleenex, any variety, the 3-pack, 130 count or larger, is 500 points back. And then this is 20% of your cost points back as well. So that would make for a really good deal. So I'll definitely put together a scenario on that for you guys. And another Fetch reward that I just saw is on the Kraft mac and cheese, 250 points back, which is the equivalent of 25 cents. And it says limit of 5 offer submissions per unit, limit 1 offer submission per receipt. So even if you buy 2 of these, you're only going to get the 250 points back. So that would give you back 25 cents. So still an amazing deal. Always good to add some additional savings. Make sure you guys are checking your Ibotta apps and your Fetch reward apps. If you guys are not signed up on either of those, my link is always in the description box for you guys to give you some extra points and some extra cash back as well when you use my referral links. If you guys have any questions, of course, just let me know, drop a comment, shoot me an email. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram and my Facebook. I post additional deals, updates, anything like that on those, and the community tab on my YouTube. These are the other videos for you guys. If you haven't watched the Sunday CVS haul to enter in the subscriber giveaway, make sure you click this video. And if you haven't seen my Walgreens haul for the current week, there's some pretty good deals going on this week that would be better than waiting until next week. So make sure you watch this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for the Walgreens beauty event haul.